Hi there. In this video, I'll be walking us through the installation of VirtualBox on Windows operating system and also some guides on Mac operating system. Now let's get started. We come to our Chrome browser and we search for virtualbox.org. We click on enter. Then this takes us to the home page. As you can see from the home page, we have the home, the download, the documentation, and the community. Now we go to the download. We click on the download. So this takes us to this page. So from this page, as you can see, we have different packages for different operating system. For Windows, we have Windows host. For Mac operating system, we have the Intel host and the Apple Silicon host. We have for the Linux distribution, we have for the Solaris, and we have for the Solaris also. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be walking us through the installation of VirtualBox on the Windows operating system. So I click on the Windows host and it starts downloading automatically. As you can see, it's already downloading. But I already have this on my download before, so I will cancel this while I will double click it. So the same thing goes for the Mac OS. Okay, it says yes. As you can see, Windows installer pops up. So we click on Welcome to the Oracle VirtualBox 7.1.6 setup wizard. We click on Next. As you can see, yes, we have to accept this terms. Next. Next. Proceed with the installation now. Yes. And yes. And we click on Next. Then we install. So this it takes some couple of minutes for it to finish installing. The same process goes for the Mac OS. All you just need to do is to download the correct host for your operating system. Now let's wait for the couple of minutes for it to finish installing. As you can see, the download process has finished. So as you can see, the download process has finished. Now we click on Finish. Finish. Yes, this is our VirtualBox. As you can see, it's pretty simple, and this is the guidelines for us to download it. Thank you.